Yo, what up guys? For today's video, I'm playing Blitzcrank, trying to get the prismatic augment called Mystic Punch, which will reduce my cooldowns by 1 second every single time we auto attack. So if I get this, I'm going in by the way. If I get this, and then I get a bunch of attack speed, I can literally like knock them up infinitely and they will not be able to move. There's no counterplay. Tenacity cannot reduce the duration of knockups. There's nothing they can do but suffer as they are airborne forever. So yeah, hopefully we can get that because this is like our 7th or 8th try or something like that. My buddy 2 grand on Jace here has been trying to help me get this video, and we've been at it for like 2.5 hours. So shout out to my boy. Hopefully this is the one, man.
We've been seeing the same people over and over too now.
But we have yet to lose. We've always gotten first.
Yeah,
We are going crazy, guys. We're going crazy.
We're not losers. I swear, it's the
We're
opposite
winners.
of losers.
All right, let me get 40% crit. Take it. I do not get any prismatics this game. I'm gonna like, boom! I'm gonna explode. Just boom.
Boomba.
I'm gonna bomb myself in game.
But yeah, I mean, there's no way out of like what 10 games we've probably like not 10 but like 8.
Yeah, surely this is the one.
Surely we don't get screwed over.
It can't give it to me like 8 games in a row. That'd be weird.
Oh, that hit.
All right, cancel this Q.
Oh, he's low. He got knocked. Oh lord, I screwed.
Oh man, I canceled that Aurelian Q so many times. How does he keep getting them? Nice. Alright, 2 grand wins these guys. He wins them every time. He's one of the best Jace players on the server. He wouldn't dare lose.
No.
He's got all the plants. There's 0% chance he loses these. He's him.
He's just dead. It's a nice slow game, you know. It's just you don't need to overwork yourself, right, buddy? It's
Yeah.
just sit there and look
We scale.
He's scaling. I bet you
Blitzcrank has been scaling hard, man. At the end of these games, I've been doing over 100,000 damage.
Dude, that was insane, though. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah,
Yeah.
last game you did like legit. Like you're beating the crap out of them.
We do be beating the crap out of him.
Yeah, we do be. This
Oh
is
god,
not
this
my
combo,
favorite.
they have the
Yeah,
rolls.
this one of us is dying.
Yeah, I'm
And
just gonna
not
like,
that guy.
I don't know who to hook here. None of them. I'm
Okay,
bad.
anybody. How
I
much is
lagged, I
anybody?
lagged.
Oh shit.
It's okay, she
Wait
can't
a
cast anything. It was all a part of my master plan. To make her engage on us and get perma CC'd and die. I cancelled her Q. Oh, nice. Easy. That was actually the easiest one yet.
Okay,
I was afraid of them pressing R, but they just like didn't press R.
Yeah.
They just have to press R as soon as the round starts.
Like all Vi has to do is walk up and
Yeah,
press
she just
off.
has to go in first. She done goof. Alright, I'm gonna get a Gwynsu. I just want a ton of attack speed. That way, when we get Mystic Punch, because we definitely will this time, our cooldowns will get reduced every single auto. We just want tons of attack speed.
Just give me it all. Just give me it all. Please.
Alright, let's try to burst this Aurelian. Ooh, nice. Almost hit him.
Oh, I missed. No. Wait, he.
Alright, he's like, he can't play. He can't play. Ow. Yeah, focus me.
Oh,
Nice, they got
okay. We can tell I'm getting a little more lazier now. You know, I'm getting a little hungry and everything. Oh, shoot. I'm missing a lot of cues. This is not good.
That very first one you sent actually hit Aurelian.
I know, I saw that. I was like, oh, thank you.
Oh my god. Alright, so I have Willing Sacrifice. I don't want to
Do
give
not
my
move.
health away because I'm
Do not.
squishy. And then Airy and Comet, Turbo and Blitz, so we gotta go cannon fodder.
Oh, my God. You might
I'm
as well
launching out of the
just go ahead.
cannon.
Oh my God.
That's right, it's just one more knockup they have to deal with.
Oh my gosh. Oh yay, Evelyn, yay.
Alright, I'm just going in right here.
Just do it.
Go, go,
I'm
go,
with
go.
you.
I found them.
Wait a second.
Oh, I don't know how that missed. Ow, my health. I'm healing, I'm healing, I'm healing.
The night is my veil.
Ice? Wow.
There we go.
Oh my God! Go get him, Tiger.
Oh.
Not.
I didn't want to flash on her, it's not worth.
Uh-oh.
Things we
Alright,
She's-
wait. I'm invisible, I'm
we're
invisible.
Yeah, we all are. I hit these.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Yeah, look at my form. Like I'm in cannon form.
Wait, you are?
Oh, what the hell? That's weird. So it's only bugged off the get-go when I'm off. I have to keep swapping.
Weird.
Come on, baby, give us the good shit. Alright, this game, I go Edge of Night. Stuck it. Oh, no.
Oh, yeah, they
You're
have a lot of
gonna
like
die.
long range.
You're gonna die. I'm
Yeah,
not
now they'll
gonna
focus
die.
me. They don't like looking at your shield.
Yeah.
Oh, I could get Zonya's on Blitz.
Oh my god, that would be insane.
Alright, that'll be way later on.
Yeah, yeah, we
I
got
go
other
full
stuff to
damage
worry
first.
about. Yeah, we gotta get those punches moving. You gotta Mike Tyson somebody, knock somebody
Yeah.
out.
You boxing.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we
I'm
boxed.
engaging.
Yeah, trust me, I am not. Wait,
Okay.
are you in the? I'm
Yeah, I
waiting.
can like go whenever when they like get in the choke point.
Oh, good.
Uh,
I feel like that did nothing.
it didn't. Oh my
Wait,
god.
body.
I thought they were going
body.
to walk forward. Oops. Cannon's good.
The cannon did nothing. I thought it knocks up or does something.
Well, I missed.
Oh,
I thought they were going to like walk forward into you. I miscalculated.
Hey, it's all.
I mean,
we
I
all-
lagged.
we
I
all-
lagged. I had
yeah,
10,000 ping. There's nothing I could do. It's not my fault.
I agree. Always teammates' fault. Always teammates'
Oh yeah, it
fault.
was
I
Two
agree,
Grand's
I-
fault. Yeah, didn't bait him hard enough, I guess. Well, I
My
missed.
bad. I'll make them walk into me more.
I'm trying to hook over the wall. I might flash into this bush and hook too. Oh wait, I'm in the cannon.
You're already
Alright.
in the cannon.
Brilliant Soul is just like, yeah, just play like that. Just play like that. I got him.
What am I supposed to do?
Okay, Aurelion Soul
Uh,
flashed away.
Okay, I get. And I think I die here. Oh, Samir, stop! Oh, you. He's got no W. Oh my god! Wait, you win these.
Oh, it's a gap.
Is that it? He's that guy. He's that guy.
I'm that crank.
here we
Ooh, prismatics, please. Yes! Fucking finally, man! Finally,
Let's go. Let's go.
guys, this is taking us so many fucking tries.
Perfect. I can go eat food now.
Guys, we've been
Alright,
at this for 2.5 hours. Oh my god, we finally got it. So as you can
I'm
see
so
here, like
happy.
I can just like knock up like legit every 1.5 seconds currently. So we're gonna get some more attack speed, so it's like every single second they are just knocked up. They cannot move.
Oh my god.
Dude, finally.
I'm the happiest I've ever been. Okay.
I'm gonna wait for them to like engage on you, I guess. Yeah, they're just like too scared to engage on you.
Yeah, I don't.
Because they're afraid of the cannon.
They're afraid of the juice, man.
Yeah, I have to go.
All right, you do your thing, man.
Alright, I'm gonna solo this guy.
Okay, I'm with you. Oh, wait.
Exploded me, but they're like 2 HP you win. Nice.
Okay, not bad.
Dude,
bad.
they were so
Alright.
afraid of the cannon, I love that. Okay, we gotta
We
give
are-
some rounds. Like, we have too much
Yeah.
HP, they have too little HP. That's a problem.
Oh my god. Do
That's a problem.
Okay, I'm going to.
I'm full build now.
Oh no, they're gonna. Oh. Okay, they're fighting each other.
Yeah. So one of them has to get knocked out, and then we can give up like 2 rounds, I think, or maybe one.
Yeah,
Maybe just
we're gonna
one
try
round.
to kill one, and then you just knock up the other
Yeah.
one. Like,
Yeah.
that's the game plan. Just so you can display how funny it is.
Yeah. Can finally show you guys the infinite knockup CC chain that I've been trying to get for the past
Oh my,
2
is that
hours
the
and
blade
45
wall?
minutes.
Oh my god.
Oh, I want the Lux Insana to win.
Yeah, me too. I was thinking the same thing. Actually, it would be good against the vibe, wouldn't it? Oh.
And they got too much CC. She like exploded me.
Okay.
Yes.
Remember, 2G, do not kill all of them. Just kill
Don't kill.
one.
Just kill one.
Yeah, just kill one. Just.
We want to lose actually. We want to lose.
Yeah. But if I
But while
kill one,
while we show the knockup,
or
my
you
E comes
go
up
in.
like immediately. I attack so fast. So funny. All right, get in there.
I can't get it.
Get
Oh,
me info. Get me info. I'm on the flank. Nice.
There you go. There you go. Oh, there's a knockout! Oh my god!
Oh, I accidentally killed her. I'm too strong. They couldn't
But
fucking
there
move.
it was!
Alright, well, that's what it looks like, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please body that like button. This took us so many tries. Shout out to 2 Grand. Go give him a follow on his Twitch, his YouTube. He is 2 Grand on both. Thank you, 2 Grand, for playing, man. I appreciate it. That was fun. You made the past almost 3 hours a lot more bearable. GG's. Body like button. Peace.
Peace.
Yo, what up guys? For today's video, I'm playing Blitzcrank, trying to get the prismatic augment called Mystic Punch, which will reduce my cooldowns by 1 second every auto attack. And yeah, if we get this, we can actually just put them in an infinite CC chain of knockups, and there's nothing they can do about it because Tenacity can't even reduce knockups. So yeah, there's just no counterplay to it. We're gonna need a couple items. We're gonna need the augment, and then we'll be able to achieve that. And I'm joined by one of my best friends, 2 Grand on the Jace. And he has helped me. This is like our 6th game together or something, maybe 7th.
Yeah,
We're like still trying to get this augment. I'm just getting so unlucky so far. So yeah, shout out to 2 Grand for helping me get this. Hopefully this is the one, guys. We're losing our minds. Please, RNGesus.
Dude, I'm not gonna lie, your intro's getting better and better and better.
Yeah, I'm
Like,
well
it's
practiced.
insane. Like, holy moly, like you were
I'm well
zooming through that one. Like I was like, damn, he's got us on a script, you know.
Dang. He did not start off with Prismatic, but 70 AP is OP on Blitz. We got broken AP ratios on like every ability. 130, 125, 150. Damn.
Yeah, 150?
150.
Damn.
Power against Twitchamumu. I'm gonna try and get that Twitch.
Yo, I just want that sad boy to be left alone. Let's just like build a Twitch and make him cry. Alright?
Well, he's got 70 AP. He might just be the carry here.
Wait a second. I
Oh,
think we
Twitch
got
has light
fucked
him up.
up.
That's so OP too. Ah, shit. They're down here.
Invisible. Where are you at, you little
They're down here. They're over the wall.
Oh, I hit him. He's right here. Hook right here. Trust. Hook me, you
Alright.
didn't trust.
Alright.
That was it.
I got him.
Oh!
Now we just kill him.
Yeah, wait, or
I'm
do I
punching.
get killed?
Punch. Punch.
Oh, I juke these.
Punch.
Oh. Wait, haha, noob!
Noob.
Wait, is he invincible?
Nah. I was stand in front, so you can't get queued.
Oh, you're so sweet. Let him cook.
Where is
Wait.
he? Alright.
Where is he? Dude, I'm telling you, like he kept going invisible. For
Yeah,
me, I swear.
the vision on that map is so weird, like around the walls.
Let's go attack speed. I feel like maybe I've been doing it wrong. I should just be going attack speed and chase for the rest of my life.
Ice cold. Oh, I guess your Q has a slow.
Yeah,
Actually, OP.
I'm gonna get the last whisper.
Ouch. Okay, she's not pressing R.
Oh, what? Wait, that silence was broken.
Yeah.
I'm dead here. I'll miss you.
No, no, you're fine, you're fine, you're fine.
Okay. How did that miss?
Oh.
I choked. Alright, I'm going top. I'm going top. You
Alright.
shoot the Kobe.
I'm going on Lux.
Go, Webbing. Go. Go nice and hard on her.
I'm
Get her.
going in.
Oh yeah, fist her
Oh.
well. That's what I'm talking about. Give her
That's
the
what we
little
talking about.
blitzcrank. The blitzcrank fisted.
Dude, I'm gonna fist him so fast. I'm gonna
Yeah.
fist him up in the air. I'm gonna make him
Yo.
airborne.
You know,
I'm gonna knock him up.
you know, I guess that's not bad. That's not bad. You know, I wish you would knock me up. That's all I'm saying.
If I could, I would.
Oh,
I would do a lot of team killing. Like, shit, if you were 300 gold, let me get that.
I
Let me get
remember
at
back in
that.
the day, Syndra used to be able to team kill when she got the rework. It was kind of funny.
We're gonna pick up a Gwyn suit. Navori's not that good because our E's gonna be like a really short cooldown. Anyway, so yeah, we just want Mystic Punch and a ton of attack speed. Gwyn suit will give us like 2 auto attacks. So that's like 2 seconds off our E immediately. Man, I hope I get it this next augment. Please. Please, God, please, man.
Please, please.
I'm praying, man.
We don't ask for much, you know, like, as making the content, you know, like, we don't ask.
Please,
Push gets
RNGesus.
doubling.
Ah, where they at though? They down there? Yeah, they're down
Yeah,
there.
no. Oh,
Uh-oh.
oh, I hit him.
Ah, shit.
They can tell.
You guys alone for a sec.
Whoa.
Fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine.
Is it? Because I'm not fine.
It's not fine, it's not fine. It's definitely not fine.
The Evelyn one is bugged for me, by the way. Oh, nice! My
It's
cannon
bugged for you, how?
stance, my cannon stance only shows hammer stance.
Fuck?
So, like, I'm always in hammer stance.
Oh.
So
See.
it trips me out.
Another silver augment. Damn it. At least it's OP, we got contract killer. So I'll hook whoever has the contract on them.
Got the teleport. This is good bonding time. You know, I've learned about your family. You know, with all.
I know
I've
his
learned
life
about,
story
you know,
now.
Yeah, like holy moly, like I've learned so much. You know how long you've been doing it for. That's why you have all the gray hair and you know you're balding. I understand now. You know this kind of stuff is rough.
I'm young.
I'm young. Oh no.
This guy has the contract, he'll burst.
Right. I'm not gonna lie. Oh. Oh.
I won't die.
Oh.
I never die.
Whee! Dude, this teleporter thing's kind of fun.
Oh yeah, now you see me, nice.
Yeah, it's kind of
Very cool. You can like jump in and then like jump in with melee range, teleport back, and then you're like in range form.
Then I'm like, later.
Pretty, yeah. He's like later.
Later.
Later. I'm gonna pick up a Kraken Slayer here, one of the most broken AD items in the game.
That and Blade of the Runes are equal. So
Oh yeah. OP. Marksman and like
Supplies,
bruiser
I-
items are like just so broken. And then like lethality and then like mage items.
really surprised I don't see Aurelia's build Kraken. To be honest.
That seems like it'd be good on her. Actually.
Yeah, like
Probably is.
alright, let's do this.
Ooh, she got a shield? Come on, man.
Yeah, I poke it off, don't worry.
Put that shit on.
Damn, got it.
Nice. Oh,
Oh! Oh. She's not being nice to me. Oh, I'm gonna miss you. Oh!
oh nice. Sorry, Albanese.
Okay, I believe. I believe. Oh, yes! Give her the
I
good
just
old
punch her.
fisty.
I just punch.
Wait, can you?
Yeah.
Wait, she get it! Don't get
Killed
it!
her. Wait, that hit me.
Oh no! Wait a second.
I don't know why I pressed Q there, not gonna lie. What?
Dude, it's like every girl I talk to, you know? I just can
Oh
never get that.
yeah!
Wait, you're done. You're dead.
Fine, I'm fine.
No,
No,
you're
I'm
not.
fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. Everything's fine.
Everything's fine. Everything's
Fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. She's dead. I outplayed her. I'm better. Oh my god.
just better. You're just better.
Just better.
You're just better.
I get Essence Reaver. So this dude, Contract Killer has made it so I am 5 items now.
Wait, you're already 5 items? Wait,
Yeah,
do
yeah,
I
yeah.
get
I
the
sold
bonus
my
one too?
starting item.
What?
Yeah, how much gold do you get?
I'm only. I'm not. Oh, I can
Oh
sell.
yeah, you can
chicken,
sell it.
actually,
Yeah, you can sell. Contract Killer is broken like that.
What?
It's giving us 700 gold. And it's done like 2,000 damage.
Oh my gosh, we know where she's at.
Oh, close.
Good? Hey, help me.
I can't move.
Get over there.
I can't fucking move.
Huh, okay.
Yeah, fuck.
Just wanted to check up on you. Make sure you're okay.
Yeah, I'm not okay. I'm dead. Dead as hell.
I need LDR for that.
Yeah. Me too.
Oh!
Okay. I didn't get it. This game like fucking hates me, man. Oh, we got tap dancer. We tapping.
We
We tap
tapping.
dancing.
Tippy top.
Dude, I'm actually so unlucky these past few days. Just does not want to give me the prismatics that I want. Up so fast.
Starving. Oh, starving for this fucking dub.
Hey. Oh.
Oh my god, they're coming for me. Oh, get him, boy. Get him. Dude, they're focusing like so hard on
I
me.
know, dude. Give him your autograph.
Jesus.
Uh-oh. Oh my god, you just 100-0 the lead over there.
Yeah,
I just realized that that's her dead body.
Like I was like,
I'm like,
Jesus,
I'm gonna get
yes.
this luck. She's the.
Like I was like, why? Like they were like hardcore focused.
Yeah, that was weird. We got a Jewel Gauntlet.
Yeah, I
Sounds
got
cool.
one lucky crit. One lucky crit. It just was like,
Ooh, your Shock Blast critting would be like so cool.
oh, it's so
Oh,
nice.
he landed
dude.
his Q.
Dude, nothing feels better when you see that 2,000 damage shock blast.
Oh, that sounds nuts. I want to see that. I want you to show me that this game.
I can't. They're too tanky. They're too tanky. Maybe I
Get
could
the Twitch
actually.
and Senna. You can like one-shot them almost.
Yeah. Best thing is like all of my abilities crit, so my percent health, my Qs, like every ability.
Damn.
So it's like so
Hell yeah.
good on Jason. But it's not as good as your
Hey.
fucking knockup.
Only win if I like hook Twitch somehow. Come on, Twitch, show yourself.
Oh. Wait. Oh.
I win these. I win these.
Wait a second! Let him cook, baby! Yo,
Let's
this is why you don't
go.
focus the Jace, you noobs.
Ooh,
You noobs!
so green. Eh.
Alright,
I
what
kinda
do
want
we
the moving
need to
speed.
kill this Poppy? What the?
Oh, nice. You knocked them out. I'd rather face Senna
Yeah,
Poppy than freaking Twitch. This Twitch augments were like really good. He Typhoon, light him
Dude,
up,
he had
and
like
Symphony
insane,
of
I don't
War.
know. And he had Lethal Temple and Conquer. Ooh, that was 1,000 damage. Oh.
What the fuck? Someone's got a lot of range, but no attack speed.
Oh.
Ooh,
Does
the
Shaco
shackle
kills?
boxes.
Oh.
Oh.
I'm so scared. I'm so scared.
No, you got this.
Buddy, I'm sorry.
Take a deep breath. You got this. Oh, I saw that gate.
Don't ask. Don't ask.
It was the BM
I'm
gate. It's like I don't
nervous.
even need this.
Oh.
Alright, give me 40% crit, so my goon suit is more on hit damage.
If I get this, my acceleration.
Look how fast I attack. So
Oh,
funny.
I need an essence reaver. Go get him, Tiger. Wait. Oh. Oh my God! I two-shot her.
Nice.
I'm coming.
We're just
Police,
over here.
Nagita.
Oh, nice. You won. Why am I facing over there? Where are we
Police,
looking?
Nagita.
GG's, body that like button. Yo, what up guys? For today's video, I'm playing Blitzcrank. I'm trying to get the prismatic augment called Mystic Punch. And what that does is every single time we auto attack, it reduces our cooldowns by 1 second. So I get this, get a bunch of attack speed, or get Navori quick blades. We can lower our cooldowns so much that we can just knock them up infinitely with our E. And tenacity cannot reduce knockup duration, so they won't be able to do anything. There's no counterplay whatsoever against this. So we just need a few items and that prismatic augment, and yeah, they'll probably be raging that they cannot move. We're also joined by our good friend Tugran on the vein. And oh my god, another Warwick.
Oh my God!
I'm peeling.
Protect me, my queen. Protect me, my queen. Wait. Okay, listen, it's not my fault. It's not my fault.
Yeah, it's okay, it's okay. It's fine. Everything's fine.
Everything's fine. Everything's good. Everything's good.
I'm gonna see if I can at least kill Warwick.
Dude, that would be sick.
Okay, I don't think I can actually. That was unlucky.
It was just lag. I lagged.
Yeah, it's okay. Our early game is really weak, but we scale the hardest in this lobby.
Dude, I can't wait to just see you punch them up in the air 24/7.
Same,
You know what
man.
they just did to us? Just wait until what you're gonna do to them. You know?
Ooh, it's critical. I'll take that. Give me some
Oh my
crit
God.
chance. Maybe going
Dude, do I
Gwynsu or
get-
Navori, and then this crit chance will just like give me more like on hit damage, or more damage on my abilities. Oh,
Kennen and Garen.
I'll get Navori.
Oh my God, dude! Oh, that's where it sucks. Like, picture if you had Hand of Justice too. Like, oh, there's so much, dude. I love how much like different stuff there is in this game. You know?
Yeah.
Wait. Wait a second. This Garen is.
Let's hit this Garen. Oh,
Oh, that's my
Ooh.
fault. My fault.
that's okay.
I think we're still good. I'm gonna go for the plan.
All right. Just hang in there, Tugran. I'm punching him.
Keep punching him. Hook him.
I grabbed his ace. Okay, there we
I
go.
wish you'd grab mine. What the hell, man?
All right, hold on. Alright, it's back up in 6 seconds. Just wait. Wait.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Now, which
Is there a way I can
should
send them?
I
Got
There
it.
we go. My man. My
All you had to do
man.
was ask.
Got going on here.
I'm gonna get a Berserker. I'm the real AD carry. They're gonna be like,
Dude, for
dude,
real.
they're gonna be running for you, but I'm the real AD carry.
Like, little do they know you're the one that's actually gonna be doing the damage. Like, okay.
Yeah, not the guy with true damage. Me.
This is gonna be insane. This comp.
All-Star
is gonna be our
Shaka?
hardest one. Yeah. Nice.
I'll actually hook them.
You really?
Yeah. It's this one.
All right, I believe you. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Nice. Dude, I am CC'd for a year.
That's what it feels like in this mode.
God.
Wait till I do it to them.
Yeah. I can't wait till we kill the one guy and just like have you just infinitely do it.
Yeah.
You know?
We're gonna try to kill one guy, and then I'm just gonna like single this other guy out and just knock him up forever.
Just, hey man, you're not playing the game. Enjoy. Enjoy.
You watch me have fun.
Yeah, like you thought you were having fun? Just wait.
Dude, Blitz got an insane ratio on his E. 175.
What? Blitzcrank passive procs the faster you attack, right? So like
it's
I
like
think that's how
every second they get shocked for 60
Yeah,
damage.
like-
Does not scale with like any attack speed. Oh, I think I'm invisible. Oh shit, so is he. What the? Wait, what? Oh my god.
I
the
don't know what the
fuck?
hell that was. What was?
What just happened?
Okay, so Evelyn puts us all invisible.
It puts one person on each team to be invisible.
I
Wait,
thought
it says
everyone
champions are
is-
camouflaged while not in combat. Wait, maybe that's both. I thought it was
Yeah,
just
what
one on
the-
each team. I think it was all of us then. 'Cause, yeah, I don't know what the fuck just happened there. That was weird.
That was crazy.
Alright, I'll get erosion here. I'm gonna save my rerolls for prismatic.
Yeah, please. That's like I don't want. Evelyn one seems kind of neat, but it's I don't know. How'd you feel about that?
I didn't feel too good about that.
Like I just.
I
saw
didn't
them,
know
like,
what was
both-
happening.
Yeah, like they both just came out of nowhere. I'm like, what the
Yeah.
hell?
Me and Morbik just like ran into each other, and then Brand came out of nowhere and just killed you.
Like, oh, all right, game. Oh my god. Wait.
Oh
we got
wow.
baited.
Gotta
Nice
get a
body.
Oh my god, I buffered that hook like ages ago.
I tried. I'm good.
Alright, I'll splash on him. He's over here.
Light
Nice.
up, bitch.
Later.
Light up. Holy.
Later. Let me get a... Let me get Kraken Slayer. That is like busted
join
80
you.
item.
I'll join you on that one.
Nice.
You attack faster than I do. What is this?
Oh yeah, my W's
Look at
busted. It gives me 56% attack speed. When that's active, I might actually attack faster than you.
God. I just see you spazzing out. I'm like, oh, cool. We fighting?
Oh, we're gonna do our best. Alright, you got this. They're low.
Oh no! I got set gap. Holy
Yeah.
crap. Next time I'll work passing it. I'll go do that.
And an OP. Hey, more monies. Get a Phantom Dancer here so we can max out on the crit. After this, we'll go for Zephyr.
Give me that. I think I need shield bow here.
Yeah. Oh, look at these attacks.
What do you got already?
Like, he's like a 2-second cooldown right now.
I've never seen like only in this game mode this would work, you know? Oh,
I've seen it
God,
work in Rift if you go like Jungle Blitz. Oh, they're over here.
Whoa, we know where they are.
Not that one.
Yeah.
Oh, trying to hit the All-Star there. This guy?
Yeah.
Got him.
How?
He tried to like flash as he was already hit by like my knockup.
Oh, the knockup?
Yeah.
Nice.
Ooh, Soul Siphon.
Oh
Dang
my
it,
God.
might not give us prismatics until like the very last augment.
Oh, great.
Ah,
Nice.
unlucky.
I love the ones where it gives it to us like right away.
Yeah, those are my favorite.
But dude, I get
Brand
some
Horde.
nice banger vein ones.
Oh, yours are insane. Lightning strike,
Yeah.
scope weapons, and then contract killer's just busted.
Warwick's here.
Nice.
Or is he?
Oh, he's not.
Oh,
I'm peeling.
hell, you're
Oh,
so
let's go.
Oh my
Let's
god,
go.
you saved me. Let's go, baby.
Let's go.
Audio.
Let me get a Zephyr. Oh, I'm full build. Oh, hell yeah. Get for my last thing. Oh shit, I have to decide now. Nah, sure too. Fuck it. My AP ratios are cracked, and that gives me the most attack speed.
Hey, we
And
don't
I'm gonna
get
just
to
try to
have
like one-shot cannon.
I'm game.
Oh fuck.
Lachi. I'm just stunning.
I'm just like useless. I'm 1 HP.
Oh,
What do I
okay,
do?
you
What
want
do I
me
do?
You want me to just kill them?
I died the pike!
Wait, did Pike kill you?
Yeah!
I was like, how'd you die?
I missed
didn't know
hook and then I
Pike
just
did
died
that.
of pike, dude. That was just sad to watch.
I was like, I didn't know Pike actually did damage.
Yeah, he fucking
Not
hurts.
gonna-
There's a couple hundred, I think.
Uh,
Let me get a... Not sure. Wits end. Yes.
I got a hat. I got a nice little hat.
About a hat.
Yeah, should we lose?
We don't need to. We're both 10
Yeah.
HP here. So no matter what, we get one more augment.
What the hell is this? Pike cult?
Condemn him. What the fuck?
I got silent.
I'm on V1ing the Garen! No shot.
I wanted you to have your time to shine, so I
Oh
didn't do
my
anything.
god, really? Zero? We got 0 fucking prismatics. Unlucky.
Oh. Wow, League is good. League is
Item
fun.
haste? I don't think that's good here. Nah. Rerolling.
Dude, if you had Tempest item haste,
I'll get Shrink Ray, I guess.
shrinky dinky.
Dinky dinks.
Oh my god. That's what happens every time I jump into it. Shrink. My hair. Alright, I'm waiting for this body. Whoa! Okay. Life is not good over here.
I win these, I win these, I win these, I win these. He's gapped, he's gapped. Why am I facing that way? Oh my god, well that was still pretty fun. We got a lot of knockups there, but we didn't get the prismatic augment unfortunately, so. Body that like button, subscribe for daily content, and peace.